We also came to know about the other method of getting natural honey, called apiary honey, or honey made from man-made bee boxes. As a general perception, we also used to believe in the myth that this honey is made by feeding sugar to honeybees. However, the reality is far from it. When we observed closely and spent days and nights in the fields, we came to know that even apiary honey can be as natural as wild bee honey. In fact, it is a rather more hygienic practice of making natural honey. Bee boxes are man-made houses for honeybee colonies. Beekeepers look after these bee boxes and are responsible for keeping them in a flower-rich forest area. The honeybees gather nectar from flowers and store them in honeycombs and ripen it with their wings. This process is exactly the same as those followed by wild bees. The beekeeper then carefully removes the combs from the bee boxes and keeps it in the extractor, which then removes honey using a centrifugal force, without disturbing larvae or the pollen portion of it. This hygienic method of extracting honey completely preserves the comb, which encourages the residing bees to make more honey. Hence, each colony of honeybees can yield more honey compared to wild bees. Towards the end of the flowering season, beekeepers shift these bee boxes to a new area where the flowers have started to bloom. This is called the migration of the bees. The wild bees also migrate naturally when the flowering season of one area ends, only to return to the same place next year. We are lucky that India is blessed with multiple such flowering seasons, which enables our beekeepers to get honey most times of the year. Of course, this requires our beekeepers to migrate at least 4 to 5 places each year.